in this program, we will learn about variables, constants, operators, okay? And we'll learn about assignment operator, which is equals to. We'll learn about arithmetic operators, like plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and there's another one called modulus. So percent is a modulus operator that gives you the remainder after the division. So, for example, 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. And 5 modulus 5 equals to 0, because there is no remainder after the division. And this division is because the quotient is 1. Means you had to multiply 5 by 1 to cancel out the 5. So that's your quotient. Okay. Now let's do an example here. Integer ID equals to 4455. String full name equals to Saad Yusuf. Double GPA equals to 3.91. Character gender equals to M. And Boolean graduating equals to true. So these are my variables that I declared of different data types. Now I'll use this in my outputs. System.out.println, student ID, as I begin to use my variables, you will see the orange line starts disappearing on the variables in the first 5 declarations. Student gender. And notice I don't have to display them in the same order that I declared them. Student GPA. And is student graduating this semester? And then you run to see the output.